In today's video, we will discuss two things with you. We will discuss the Forex and the stock market in comparison, and we will discuss the benefits of these two. So if you watch today's video, you will not have any question about these two markets. Although you all know about the Forex market, I will discuss what the stock market is and what benefits you will get if you compare it with Forex. So stay with us. Hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Many of you may not know the difference between stock market and Forex market. For them this video is published, and today we discuss Forex market versus stock market. Forex market and stock market are both called capital markets or investment markets. But the Forex market and stock market are two completely different markets. The elements of trading in both markets are different. What is the stock market? Stock market refers to the purchase and sell of a certain part of the ownership of an organization or company. Any company enters the stock market and sells part of its ownership, and these shares are bought by an individual or a company. Basically, shares are sold to increase income, and other companies or individuals buy part of those shares in the hope of profit. The amount of these shares can be small or large. This process of buying and selling shares is known as the stock market. Stock market performance. Stock market operations are conducted through the buying and selling of shares. Anyone who buys a share of any company will be considered as the owner of that share. The percentage of shares you buy will be considered as the percentage owner of the company. The share of profit or loss is determined according to the ratio of shares. That is, whose share ratio is higher, the profit or loss ratio will also be higher. Some rules have to be followed in buying and selling shares. The government interferes in the buying and selling of shares in registered companies such as public limited companies. All these shares are bought and sold on behalf of the government through the central bank. This share is controlled by the central bank. And the Forex market is an international foreign exchange market. The name is derived from the combination of the words foreign and exchange. Basically, Forex is the business of buying and selling foreign currencies. Currency rates fluctuate several times a day. Profits are to be made by trading on the rise and fall of the price of a currency. Another difference between Forex and the stock market is the amount of money required for trading. To buy shares from a stock market, one will need quite a large sum of money ranging from $100,000 to $100,000. The remarkable thing about the Forex market is its stability, because the worst thing that can happen in any financial market is a meltdown or stock index collapse. However, the Forex market is protected by its specific component currency, which is different from other stock markets and commodity markets. If the share price falls, it is called a financial fall. But if the US dollar falls, other currencies get stronger, so it drives the market. So, it is a very good opportunity for a trader to earn extra profit. Trading benefits of Forex market and stock market. Forex is the largest market in terms of volume and fastest growing. The daily trading volume in Forex is about $4 trillion, which is more than 30 times the trading volume of all US stock exchange markets combined. Another undeniable advantage of Forex is its ease of entry. Finding a reliable broker is not difficult as there are a large number of reliable brokers in the market. From this, you can open an account and start working with whatever you like. Moreover, everything from depositing to verification can be done very easily these days. You can verify your account in just 5 minutes sitting at home. Yes, many brokers are offering this facility. You can make a deposit. These benefits are not available in the stock market. Forex is traded 24 hours a day, and the share market is open till a certain time in a day. In Forex, you can buy or sell any currency, and in the stock market, you can only trade shares of different companies. If you buy any item in Forex, you cannot sell immediately, and if you buy shares today, you cannot sell for that day. You can sell any item in Forex without buying, and if you buy any item in stock market, you have to sell that item at the next time. Forex is an international business. In this business, currencies of different countries are bought and sold. Another undeniable advantage of Forex is its ease of entry. Finding a reliable broker is not difficult as there are a large number of reliable brokers in the market. There is no such big deposit needed. Now you can do Forex real trading with just $5. You can enter the market as your wish, take entry when you want and withdraw as you want. This market is so big that it is not possible for any person or organization to influence this market in any way. This was today's video. I hope you understand this video. And before finishing the video,
we will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.